Hello and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making our own garlic bread, so you don't have to go to restaurants and get it anymore. So sit back and let's get ready for something delicious. First, we're going to use our ingredients, which are butter, a French baguette, some garlic, and parsley. We're going to take that garlic, chop it up really fine, which is called mincing it. So we're going to have minced garlic. Then we'll take the minced garlic and the butter and combine those two together. And we're going to take a whisk and whip it, so that it's nice and creamy and smooth. To that bowl, we are going to add some chopped up parsley, give it a little extra flavor. And it's going to be some nice and creamy garlic butter, because that's what we're going to spread on top of our baguette. So next we're going to slice up our baguette and just spread that butter on top and then place it in the oven. You could either broil it or bake it. It's up to you. And then we're going to eat it, because look at it. Doesn't it look delicious? Tell your friends about it and stop going to the restaurant to get it. Make it yourself. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time in the kitchen. Bye.